Rana Pratap. If it's not. My lisp because of my eyeliner is so bad.
Like every other trip, I headed to the airport with a giant anxious pit in my stomach, which could only be put to rest after mindlessly browsing the duty-free shops and having a good meal. I watched the new Hunger Games film on the flight, falling asleep before it ended and waking up in Abu Dhabi for our connecting flight. After spending a terrible night at the airport, we finally landed in Copenhagen hours before we could check into our room.
Yeah, I'm really upset. I didn't want to. Where? Oh, in the window. Bro, people here don't close their windows.
Oh, they're cats.
Fatty. I'm really disappointed that this is how I have to make my first impression on this city.
On the Danish people.
On the Danish people. Please don't look at me. I'm cooler than this. Mom, I'm wearing a disgusting outfit. I had not anticipated this. I haven't even brushed, dude. Embarrassing. I'm sorry to the Danish people.
Excuse me. Do you know how to get?
But yeah, Mom, you know that Tivoli, whatever, is a amusement park, right?
Yeah, Rana.
हाँ, so you know that it's an amusement
I didn't know
park.
that was
Oh my god, that uncle was asking for this place.
Oh shit.
Bichare.
He was asking for this place. क्या बोला था वो?
Arey, he just showed us on a map, hand drawn, and we were like, we haven't been here before. Is this allowed? Queen, King, Ace.
क्वीन किंग केस नहीं हम ये इसमें अलाउड होता है
क्यों क्वीन किंग एस
तीन पत्ती में अलाउड होता है इसमें नहीं अलाउड होता
किंग एस किंग क्वीन इज अलाउड राजेश एस किंग क्वीन इज अलाउड व्हाई नॉट
क्वीन किंग एस बोल रहे हो
हाँ तो
वही
ठीक है
कंफर्म नहीं होता
किसकी टर्न है
No. Try again. Actually, that was kind of decent. Do it one more time.
Dan.
After leaving a less than ideal impression on the city, we got access to our smaller than expected but still super cute room. We showered, got dressed, and were ready to look for food. Not wanting to waste time, we headed out, grabbing some sandwiches to eat on the go. We weren't far from the city centre, so we decided to see all the sights on the walk there. As touristy as they are, canal cruises are always such a fun and quick way to see everything worth exploring in a new place. My family isn't too big on knowing all the history behind things, but we're all suckers for a good adventure.
Rana Pratap. Wow. Besides him, waffle on a stick. They're having a waffle on a stick. These two will.
ये भी लगे कुछ
पागल हो, just because they're Indian कुछ भी पूछ लोगे. It's day 2. I'm ready. Looking very Danish today. I mean, self-proclaimed. What are we doing today? Today it's a super walking heavy day. We are going to a bakery for breakfast. It's like 9:30, I think. After that,
Botanical garden?
yeah, after that there's like this castle that we're going to see and like a botanical garden. And then there's like a bunch of food places that I want to try over there. So hopefully they are open. And then we're going to the design museum. We haven't bought tickets for anything. I also haven't done my lip stuff. My lips are so dry that I don't want to put anything. Yeah, the weather is really dry. And it's supposed to rain today. Twice. But we'll figure that out. You're wearing a white skirt and it's gonna rain.
I'm wearing white shoes also.
But यहाँ पे कीचड़ नहीं है. It's a really long walking day and I'm a little worried about it because I'm still wearing my dirty Air Force Ones. And if you own those or like any sort of Nike Dunks and stuff, for me at least, they're like the most uncomfortable shoes. But my Sambas don't go with my outfit today. So, and I also haven't worn them for a long distance. Why am I telling you? I hope this is entertaining. Please be entertained. Anyway, this is my jewelry. None of it matches, but I think it's cute. I think I spoke too soon about my hair still looking good because now it's pouring.
It's just intense.
It's just getting worse and worse.
बहुत ही ठीक हो जाएगी यार, थोड़ी देर में हो जाएगा. कल भी तो ऐसे ही हुआ था. हमारा कौन सा बड़ा ऐसा है कि हम ओहो हमारी ट्रेन मिस हो रही है.
After eating nearly everything on the menu at Rug, we got drenched in the rain and conveniently found shelter on a street with tons of thrift stores.
This one?
After doing a lot of browsing and a little bit of spending, we were back en route to the botanical garden. Upon arrival, we found that the greenhouse, which to us was the main attraction, was closed that day. We still spent a long time wandering around before heading to the Rosenborg castle. We all decided that seeing it from afar was good enough because at this point our hunger was outweighing our curiosity. Unfortunately for us, the people of Denmark have a sense of work-life balance, meaning that things tend to close pretty early by our standards.
I wanted to go there though. At least the sky is really blue. And we are in Denmark. Right.
And with that attitude, we found a cute sandwich place that was still open, downed our lunch and headed home. After a couple hours of downtime, hunger struck again.
Where?
Where is she going?
I don't know where she thinks she's going, but on the hunt for dinner.
She has no map, no data.
She has a dream and blind confidence.
Pure vibe.
What more does one need?
Call her back. I'm scared. It's like when you can't.
Let her keep going. I'll find her later.
I'm honestly just here for the walk.
Let me explain what we will do tomorrow because I think it will be early in the morning. We're gonna go to this place in Sweden called Malmo. And
Anybody?
how did you finesse this?
I just got it. So there's nothing to do in Malmo. He's also from Malmo. Everyone's from Malmo.
But there's nothing to do in Malmo, then where are we going? Well, that sounds promising.
Let me tell you what we are doing tomorrow.
Nothing.
After we come back. Child must be selected the whole table.
Good morning. It's Tuesday, which is why it's been a week since my hair was last washed, and it's up. Remember when I said we're going to Malmo? I lied because the hotel staff said it's really boring. Oh, look how pretty. So now, oh my god, my lisp is so bad. I'm so sorry. There's this museum called the Louisiana, and it's outside Copenhagen. And we thought we won't be, we wore, and we thought that we won't be able to go because we didn't have enough days. But since we're not going to Malmo, we get to go to the Louisiana today. So we're gonna go check out that Shakespeare Hamlet castle, and then go to the Louisiana and come back. And right now we're just getting breakfast before we take the train. Any inputs? No. We look so cool here.
You look so cool here.
Yeah, we look cool here. Like, I don't think I look this cool in Delhi.
You don't get an opportunity.
Yeah, true. True.
One thing I loved about Copenhagen was that a lot of the shops had these steps that led downstairs. No idea what they do when it snows, but it's such a cutesy little touch. Must be nice to live in a planned city. Anyway, we chowed down our breakfast and got on the train.
But doesn't he do something wrong and he has a lot of guilt? Why can't the wind be this way and just fix my hair?
Finds out that his uncle killed his dad and then married his mom. And then there's also Ophelia, best girl.
Oh, Ophelia.
That's the one.
Yeah.
Everyone dies in the end.
Thanks
But there's
for
like a
spoiling it.
But the also dad does say something. I think he tells him that he was murdered by the uncle. And now
You didn't tell me the uncle did the murder.
I did.
You just said he's dead and he is haunting him.
No, the uncle did the murder and then married his mom.
That's a bit
And
weird.
he made himself king.
आप जल्दी चलो ना.
बेकार travelers हो तुम दोनों.
So we are spending time in walking there. Okay, so what does the castle have to do with him? It's
This
his
is the
house.
castle. This is the one he was haunting.
But it's not a real story.
I don't know.
This is all made up, and we've
Yeah.
come all the way to the city for a made up story about a made up
I
castle.
think it was inspired by like
This.
I don't know, man. मैं भी यहाँ पहली बार ही आई हूँ.
Okay, but what does it have to do with what we're going to do right now?
उन्होंने बोला कि यहाँ रहता था ना मुझे भी पता
But he's not real. Okay, so presumably Shakespeare has been here.
Presumably, I don't think he has. I think he was just inspired without coming here. 1600s में कहाँ यहाँ पहुँचेगा वो? Actually मुझे पता नहीं.
वो रहता तो यूके में था, तो इतना भी दूर नहीं है, आ सकता था. Don't tell mom and dad that we came here off of some assumption. चलो देख के आते हैं. According to mom and dad, it was super grand. Hi. Castle, sightseeing, famous. King alien. It's probably definitely haunted. Okay, good vibes. I don't claim any bad energy.
This day was one of my favorites of all time. The Kronborg Castle was absolutely stunning. We spent so long exploring every nook and cranny. Though the basement definitely gave me the creeps, the roof blew me away, almost literally. The surrounding gardens were an absolute delight. It was just one of those times where you think you must have done something right to end up here somehow. We then headed to the Louisiana, which was one of the most unique places I've ever been. Coupled with the absolutely stunning location, it's definitely a place we would have regretted missing. As for the art, my sister and I were definitely having a bit of a can't take our parents anywhere moment, but all in good fun.
Why do our parents hate art? Mom, निकाल देंगे इतना हंसोगे तो. Can't take her anywhere. Just. We need to go to museum tomorrow.
आज मैं अपनी सिस्टर को रिकॉर्ड करने जा रही हूँ.
This scenery was actually breathtaking. I figured it was a good time as any to follow my adventurous intuition and accidentally led Kyra and myself outside the museum, but we found a way to sneak back in.
What if we can't come back at all? You better not get us in trouble. She's off.
I see people.
Yeah, yeah. Ooh. Ooh.
Okay, there's no need to get so upset. Well, there we have it.
I wonder if my parents know.
Yeah, I don't think they haven't asked where we are. So I put my data off. So I couldn't be reached. But it's okay. Look, they're gonna be proud if anything. Nobody's gonna know.
Desperate to eat, we headed to the Tivoli food hall, where we were definitely spoiled for choice.
One sec.
What? So sorry, Mr. Brown.
Weird.
After scarfing down our meal, we headed back home to unwind. And my definition of unwinding is certainly a bit different than what my sister was up to.
So right now we're taking the metro to the Design Museum, or probably breakfast and then the Design Museum.
Like I said, my sister and I made our way towards the Design Museum, grabbing a quick 7-Eleven bite on the way. A lot of the museum was under construction when we visited, and I don't think it was my absolute favorite, and you'll see in the coming videos that I definitely reached the peak of my museum fatigue really quickly. Needing to refuel, we had a quick bite at Apotec 57 and headed home. Feeling ambitious and eager to walk back, my sister and I got caught in the rain, and my allergies were definitely bad enough to take out a Victorian child.
Must be wet.
But we made it back and quickly headed over to the airport on the way to our next stop.